What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new episode of Boosted Egos. And as you can see, we're not at home. We're at my buddy Brad's place. They're a big ass family full of car people, and they got cars upon cars. And I thought I'd take you guys for a little look around and see what everybody got. And then we're actually working on his car inside the shop, so we'll show you a little bit of that. But he has a massive collection. We got a Cornet, his Challenger, Akuta. We got Jeeps, we got work trucks galore. Warlock, which is really cool. Got Cornet, RT Challenger, Dodge. We got the Plymouth, Monaco, and then we got this little beat up Dodge. But look at the size of these tires, man. Like, they just fill it. Hey, buddy. But here, we'll go inside the shop and I'll show you what's inside there. So we're in the Brad's shop over here, and got his dad's trade car, got his STI. Crazy cars over here. Got a 1,000 horsepower drag Challenger. It's being ready to go for the season, hopefully. And then we got the STI.
You have an STI.
What are the plans for today, Brad?
Well, we're putting these new headlights in.
There you go.
And then we're, this blow-off valve, gone. That's the shiny new stuff there. This gross crap, all this gross crap, gone. New air intake.
Beautiful.
That's what's the plans for today's. And then take her for a rip, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah, this thing is making close to, I don't know, almost about 370 to 400 wheel. And I gotta admit, this car is fun to drive in. He has a lot of stuff done to this car. But let's go put in some of the stuff and go for a rip and see how she goes. So, got the blow-off valve, Turbo Smart blow-off valve installed. Thanks. Got brand new headlights put into it. Looks really sweet. And right now we're just working on a cob intake. He's having problems.
We dropped the crap.
Did we?
I didn't hear it hit the ground.
So yeah, that's. We're waiting to find the bolt on the MOF sensor, and then throw on the newer filter, cover for the airbox, and then we'll take this thing out for a rip. Yeah, I haven't really showed you guys this car. A little bit quiet in here. It's a 2005 STI. Like I said, it's cob, access port, tuned. He's put a callus downpipe, NVIDIA, cat back exhaust. What else he has on this thing? He just put the cob air intake, cold air intake. He put the Turbo Smart blow-off valve. Other than that, it's pretty much stock. You got the doubled in, two 12-inch subs in the back. It's a really dope car, and we'll go for a rip on it really quick here. We just need to start finishing all this shit up and see how it goes.
It's gonna do it. It's gonna work.
Got the bolt.
Yes, sir.
It's not the right one.
You're going to get copy strike.
See this thing go on. There we go. The bolt.
This thing smells like it's about to explode, dude.
Yeah, because that's old
We're gonna
lights for you.
we're gonna not. We're not gonna go blind today.
Don't drop it.
I can't even see it. I don't know if it's in the hole.
Well,
Oh,
he dropped it.
I dropped it.
What do you mean magnetic? Cool.
Fuck!
Where is it?
I don't know.
Oh.
Probably bounced a mile.
Of course, it's the one last bolt to bolt this whole thing together.
Okay, well, we're gonna run without her.
Alright.
Unless we find it.
So this is the first startup since we got everything in. Hopefully it starts. Definitely hear the turbo a bit more. Yeah, like I said, this car sounds pretty fucking good. Alright, time for some pulls. These are first reactions inside this thing, see how she sounds.
Alright, here we go, boys.
Here we go.
Like when you do pulls before, you couldn't hear any like air noises. Is that the turbo we're hearing, or just the intake and stuff?
Well, it's probably a mix of both.
Yeah.
Damn, you're badass. I'm kidding, I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
That's so tight.
That's fucking crazy.